Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Does your day need a little pick-me-up? Well, this Three Musketeers bar could really hit the spot for you. It is so tasty. So I love these Three Musketeers bars. They are really light and airy. It is a light whipped nougat filling and it's coated in chocolate and it's really light and fluffy and delicious and it's just great. So I love these bars because when you have a sweet tooth or a little chocolate craving, they're so good. They just really take care of it. So if you've never had one, you really should try it. And if you already know them and love them, then maybe you just want to stock up for when those sweet tooth cravings hit. No matter what kind of day you're having, it will be instantly improved once you bite into this really delicious, really nice textured candy bar. So I would definitely recommend these Three Musketeers bars because they're delicious. And that is my point of view.